Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about something super important in the world of technology, the differences between CPUs, GPUs, and TPUs. And we'll dive into why Google's latest generation of TPUs, called Trillium, is such a game changer. Let's get started. Think of your phone or computer like a person who needs to do a bunch of tasks. Just like a brain, you need different parts specialized for different types of work. CPU, Central Processing Unit. This is the general-purpose brain. It's in almost every device, phones, laptops, desktops. It can handle many kinds of tasks, but it's not always the fastest for huge, repetitive jobs. IPU, Graphics Processing Unit. Think of it like a super-powered math machine, originally designed for rendering graphics, like in video games, but also great at handling large batches of calculations for AI. You'll see these in gaming PCs or specialized computers doing heavy lifting, like video editing or AI research. TPU, Tensor Processing Unit. This is Google's custom-built chip for artificial intelligence, designed from the ground up to handle the specialized math AI needs, which often involves tensors. You won't usually find them in your home. They live in Google's data centers, powering services like search, YouTube, and large language models. It can handle many kinds of tasks, but it's not always the fastest for huge, repetitive jobs. Why did Google invent the TPU? CPUs have been around since the late 1950s, GPUs since the 90s. About 10 years ago, Google noticed more and more people talking to their phones using voice commands. Those voice commands rely on AI, and AI needs a lot of computing power. Google realized if everyone started using voice commands all at once, they'd need to double the number of computers in their data centers just to keep up. So instead of just buying more regular chips, Google decided to create something completely new. A processor dedicated to AI and machine learning. That's how the TPU was born. What's special about tensors? The T in TPU stands for tensor. A tensor is essentially the data format or language used in machine learning models. TPUs are fine-tuned to quickly handle massive amounts of these tensor calculations. Meet Trillium, Google's newest TPU. Now let's talk about Trillium, Google's newest generation of TPUs, 4.7x more powerful than the previous generation. That's a big leap in performance. 67% more energy efficient, meaning less electricity is needed for the same job. Big win for sustainability. Why does that matter? Because it means AI can tackle bigger and more complex tasks. Think advanced robotics, medical research, or huge language models. It uses less power, so it's better for the environment and potentially more cost-effective for those training large AI models. Trillium is already helping people do amazing things like RNA analysis for disease research, converting text into video at incredible speeds, and much more that we're just starting to see as more customers get access to it through Google Cloud. So to recap, CPU, your device's everyday brain; GPU, a supermath chip for graphics and AI; TPU, Google's custom AI wizard, now stronger than ever in its latest version, Trillium. Thanks for tuning in. If you learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future tech breakdowns. See you next time.